Would this be the first thing you shot on super slow-mo camera? It was not the first thing I did. First thing I did was actually in the shower. Let's talk about it. All right, this isn't actually the first thing I shot, but it's pretty epic, right? Shampoo, look like this. Now that's the final result. Obviously it took a lot to get there. So the first thing I did was do some test shots to make sure it looked good. I didn't like the way the back of the shower looks, so I put purple paper on the back. Problem was is when I tossed the shampoo, sometimes the water would splash against the back and cause splotches, so I had to replace the paper. But I got the shot. The lighting setup was pretty simple. I had a 1200D with a Light Dome 2 on it for my key light. My slash in the back was a 300D with the spotlight mount and a 600D that was up behind to give it more of a backlight and a rim light. So once I had everything set up, at that point, all it was just me tossing shampoo in the air over and over again until I got it to hit the arc at the perfect point, and it looked great. When I was done with the shower, I was looking through Instagram and I saw this nail polish container falling into nail polish and splashing. Is it this? Does it look like this? Yeah, that one. I loved the shot and I was like, how do I do that in motion? What liquid can I use that will be thick enough that will give kind of a splash, but I can color whatever color I want, which was the mint green that I was going for.
It's amazing how things look so much cooler in slow motion.
So I started thinking about it and I was like, well, cornstarch and water makes thicker liquid. And so it just didn't make the right kind of splash that I was hoping for. I had this huge thing of Elmer's glue, so I added glue into it, mixed it together, and then the viscosity of the water was perfect. So I kept dropping it in, but the problem was the liquid could kind of like form around it. I stuck a washer, like a heavy washer on the bottom, and it worked. It was awesome. Yeah, it was beautiful.
Well, that's all very exciting, but how did you light it?
Oh yeah, the lighting setup, I used a 1200D and a 600D. I had to like build a snoot for the 600D in order to just bounce off one card to get the light the way I wanted it. And then the 1200D was all backlight. The only regret I had was that I used cornstarch. Little flecks of it started showing up at the top. So I had to go in and color correct it. Then I went in with After Effects and kind of masked it all out. So it was a lot of work, but it was good.
So once that was finished, what did you shoot next?
Oh yeah, let's talk about the next one. That'd be awesome. It was one light. Just one? Yeah, a 1200D with a ton of bounce. Didn't the perfume bottle look dumb? At first, yes. But then I cut a hole in the paper, flipped it around so it was white, and bounced it through the whole thing.
Well, what did you place the perfume on?
I put it on top of a 13x9 glass pan, on top of a jelly roll.
Why a jelly roll?
That way when I poured the water behind the perfume bottle, the jelly roll would catch the water.
Wait, didn't you want the water to splash behind it and not pour?
Yeah, that's true. But I couldn't figure out how to get the water to splash the way I wanted. So I just fixed it in post.
What did you just say?
I fixed it in post.
Say that one more time.
I fixed it in post.
Oh, okay, I heard you right. Cool story.
Thanks for watching that video. I hope you enjoyed it because I very much enjoyed making it. Be sure to subscribe to check out my other videos and to join me on this sweet journey. Anyway, see you next time.
On the next episode,
first you crack the egg. Oh, hi, doggy.
you will never understand.
How could I? You've never given me the chance.